So one of the things that you can do is you can go around and change around the font that you have right here. So right now, Open Sans font is applied on this particular text, as you can see, which is the default font. But if you want to go around and change it, you can go around and click right here and choose another font as you like. Let's say, for example, if I were to select Pacifica right here, then you can see that it changes out accordingly. You can also go around and choose different typeface right here. Let me just go around and select out another font right here, and depending on the font right here, you get the different typeface right here. So if I were to go for this one, now you can see that there's extra bold and there's italic and so forth right here. What you can also do is add in your own font that may be stored on your computer. So to do that, you need to click on Add Local Font button right here. Then you need to go around and then access out a font that you have, a font file. In my case, there's Sunny's spells file right here. So if I were to go around and open it, it says cannot open because I already actually imported it. So on the top right here, you can see that the font is here. You can go around and select it, and the font is applied over here, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and change out the font as you like inside of Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.